Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OC, provides a comprehensive set of cloud services to build and run a wide range of applications. The OC Python SDK allows developers to interact with OC services programmatically using Python. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up the OC Python SDK and provide examples of common tasks. Before you begin, ensure you have the following. You can install the OC Python SDK using pip. Open a terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This command will download and install the OC Python SDK along with its dependencies. To use the OC Python SDK, you need to configure access to your OC tenancy. OC uses the concept of profiles to manage different sets of credentials. You can create a new profile using the OC CLI or directly in your configuration file. Using OC CLI, recommended if you haven't already installed the OC CLI, you can follow the instructions here. Then, run the following command. Follow the prompts to create a new profile and provide your OC credentials. Directly in configuration file, alternatively, you can manually edit your OC configuration file located at /.oc/config. Add a new section for your profile. Replace user OCID, fingerprint, tenancy OCID with your actual values. Now that you have installed the OC Python SDK and configured access, you can start writing Python code to interact with OC services. Below are some common examples. This code lists all compute instances in your tenancy. ChatGPT.